Hello my alien students, welcome back. This is part 8 of the series of videos. I thought let me just show you, instead of you keep waiting till part 7, and this is part 8, what has gone so far till part 7. I thought let me just show you what's going on, so you're not in kind of confused and what. Okay, what we did so far was we created this, we added schedule, we assigned the spaces. In the previous parts you'll be seeing what I have done, how I got it. Okay, just a fast brush up. We went to 1 minute. Okay, yeah, we created schedule, we created a lighting schedule, that was space lighting requirement. I showed in how to create, right click, new schedule, and then we went to spaces. Okay, and then we created a new schedule using key, and then I have also showed, you'll see the steps. Okay, and then we also created one new data type in the properties palette for spaces. If you see spaces, this one, lighting, I'll show you how to do it. We created one new required lighting level. Okay, and then we also did was go to the analyze tab, and we created this color legend, color field legend. Okay, we created this color field legend, which is done here, shown here. Okay, so this was done in the previous parts. Okay, so now what we will do in this part is we will create a new schedule. Okay, why? Because we want to add the lighting fixtures. Okay, so for example, if you click one of the conference room space, you would see the average estimated illumination is 0 because we have not added anything there. Okay, and the required lighting level is 375 lux. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a schedule, and we're going to subtract. It's going to be called delta or something, or difference or variation between the average estimated and the required lighting level. Okay, so as of now, what you'll be seeing is if I subtract this minus this, you'll be seeing all negatives, isn't it? So we create a schedule now. Yeah, in this part or in the next part, I will create a schedule now and show you how to do it. And then the next part we'll add lighting fixtures. Okay, and then shortly the average, average estimated illumination would increase based on the number of lights or whatever. Okay, so this was actually till part 8. This is the story. If you want, I show it in this part how to create a schedule. Click schedule. Since we are open, we can create a schedule. Create a space schedule again. Okay, and then we will call him space schedule, or we can say variation delta, you can call him. Sorry, delta. Okay, we can create a schedule. In the previous video, you will see how I created one minute, I'll show you room number, room name. Sorry, where is it? Name, number, required. How did I create this? I'll show you how to do it in this video. If you want, I will show you how I did it. And then average, we said, right? Average. So A will be. Why don't we? Yeah, we have average. Where is average? Sorry. Average illumination. Okay. This is what we want. Room name, number, and okay. We'll create one more parameter. Say okay. Which is fill. Very good. We want. Okay. We will create one more here, which would be delta. Delta means variation, difference between this minus this. Okay, how do we create it? We have different methods to create it. We can click it this way, or 1 minute. Starting. Filter. Okay, add a new parameter. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I was, yeah, anyway, just a second. Okay, So what was our story? We want to create one new formula, one new parameter, isn't it? So we click this formula, add calculated parameter, which is a subtraction or difference between this there. You can call him delta. Okay, delta elimination we can say. Okay, it's a formula. It's under electrical and it is under illuminance. And then what we can do is average, okay, and then subtract required. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now what you will see is negative. Why? Because we've not added any lighting fixtures. Okay, so what generally I like is what we can do is anything less than 0 should be highlighted in red. So we say formatting. I think this is what is this? This is straightforward. This is like your this is like your Excel, isn't it? Calculate minimum maximum, or let's say conditional formatting. Sorry, that was not we didn't want this. What was this? Conditional formatting, yes. Data eliminate, delta, yes. And test between, or let's say if anything less than 0. Actually we have a what was it? If you see the schedule, we don't have anything less than 50 or something like that. Yeah, lux. So I can make it something like that. If anything less than 0, give me a color red. So you expect, I said less than, right? Illumination less than 0 should give me a red color. That is for this. Say okay. You find it red. Okay. So now average estimated illumination. Now when we keep adding lighting fixtures, you would see that this schedule starts filling up. Okay. Yes. Okay. Anyway, this starts filling up, and automatically this will be positive or whatever. Okay. So maybe in the next class or something. Sorry. So maybe in the next class or something we will continue this project. Okay. This is our aim. So I just wanted to show you, just tell you what's the story so far. We are still in part 8 now. We still have a long way to go. We have to do a lot of things. So yeah, we can, 1 minute, okay, before I forget, tell you not to forget. Okay, yeah, all good. Sorry. Yeah, I was thinking of something else. Okay. Anyway, this was part 8. So this is the story so far. Moving forward, we start adding lighting fixtures. We will keep adding lighting fixtures based on our requirement. And this is the story. Okay. I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. We see each other in the next class, fresh and energized. Okay. Take care and see you in the next class. Yalla, bye.